mix up.
So you're mixing the egg white with the plain flour?
Yeah.
And then what?
I'll get some more because it's not enough. Till you can nice and fluffy. It's gonna build on that. It's gonna.
So this is egg white and flour mixed together. Huh?
Yeah, the yolk is already mixed up properly there.
Yeah, the yolk's already mixed in the
and
chicken.
that is on the,
And then you add it, and then you're going to mix it all together.
yeah, mix up and then it's nice like and creamy.
I don't get it. Why don't you just put the whole egg together with the flour and then put it in?
No, because the flour and this one is that is making crunchy. That one is not crunchy. You have to like going on the top that one because this one is dissolved in the thing.
Okay.
Like
That's
a
interesting.
moisturing, something like that. This one making crunchy, you know, when you're
Okay.
cooking. That's it. So
Interesting. Okay.
yeah. So after that, you mix up.
All right.
Properly. Nothing still
And that's all that goes in. That's everything in there, really.
Yeah.
A bit more Moroccan, but that's everything, eh?
Yeah.
And then you just fry it. Yeah. Is that all?
If you're frying, you have to roll it in the
I know.
flour.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay.
The dry flour, the dry one.
Yeah, so you make that first, and then
Yeah.
and then you roll it in the just plain dry flour.
Yeah. How much you want? Garlic, you put more some garlic if you want to. I'll put 2 spoons in here, but you can put 3 if you want it. You know.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay.
That way you can taste. You know.
Yeah.